everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracy Ann and you are in for another whimsical flower girl character design using gouache paint. I just had to show you a quick glimpse of what outside looks like. It's all about flowers and spring, and I'm totally excited because I just love flowers. So what you'll need to do, get your paintbrush, get your gouache paint or your watercolor paint, and you can either paint with me or we'll just watch me. Alright, so please remember to visit my Redbubble store for stickers and prints, and that will be CrushonCovers. And also thank you for subscribing, and thanks to all my patrons. And I just want to say, if you have not subscribed to this channel before, please click and go right ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell too as well. Alright, so here I'm adding my watercolor background, my wash, an orange wash. It looks like a burnt orange just because of the vibrancy of the pigment. So I've added some intense orange by just dipping the brush straight into the paint on the cake there and applying it right to the wet area of the paper. So it's more like a wet on wet technique, but what I've done is added the lighter wash first and then add that bright pigment on top in certain areas. So go ahead, enjoy this painting, be inspired to also make your own whimsical character as well. If you have any other project in mind that is related to flowers, go ahead, dive right in, make it something that you enjoy. And as always, I would say be yourself. Do not follow anyone else's interpretation of how you should articulate your art expression, but do by trial and error, and then you will find out exactly what it is that you really like, and that can become your art style. Don't be afraid to experiment and watch videos so you can actually learn techniques. Learning a technique is different from actually replicating somebody else's work. Alright, so enjoy yourself. It is spring and it's all about flowers, and my challenge for the entire month is making flowers and characters and whimsical. I do like whimsical. Alright, so I wanted to show you how the gouache looks on even small pieces of work, and hence I'm doing these whimsical. Alright, so please remember to go ahead, hit that notification bell for more artwork, as well as subscribe if you have not. If you have, thank you so much, and I'm so grateful that you've tuned in and want to see what the next artwork is all about, or the next challenge. Alright, so I hope you learn a tip or two that will be able to assist you in your art project. Alright, so take care and have a God blessed day.